Hey everybody, CCJ editor Jason Cannon here. Today I'm in Allentown, Pennsylvania at Mack's Customer Experience Center. Inside this facility is about 126 years worth of Mack's history. But we're not going to spend a lot of time talking about history today, we're talking about the future. That's Mack's Anthem. Mack's Anthem has a unique standing in Mack's history because it's the truck that's been introduced twice. In 2017 as the new flagship on-highway product, and last year it was reintroduced as a regional product as the Mack Pioneer kind of pushed the Anthem into a new category. This truck with its shorter BBC and stubbier nose is going to shine in this setting because we're going to make a lot of those left and right hand turns with crowded corners, with people on the corner, with cars at stoplights and cars at stop signs. So we're ready to get in and around some traffic, get in and around some people, and we're going to head out right now.
Anthem complements Mack's 2025 product expansion alongside the Pioneer, the model that took Anthem's place as the company's long-haul tractor. If you get in the Pioneer and you get in the Anthem, it doesn't really look a lot different. The same wheelbase options, same trim options, safety and uptime. At the surface, they're very similar trucks. While both trucks share the M-Drive automated manual transmission, premium interior finishes, and cab dimensions, they address different priorities. The key differentiator is chassis length. The Anthem features a tight 113.5-inch bumper to back of cab length that's 12 inches shorter than the Pioneer. By reducing the hood length by 4 inches, Mack engineers significantly increased visibility and agility, allowing the truck to thrive in environments with tight corners and busy intersections. The shorter design not only allows drivers to see approximately 12 feet closer to the front bumper, it yields significant weight savings. Anthem 2 delivers up to a 10% improvement in fuel economy over the prior model. Some of that comes from aerodynamics, and some of it will come from a 2027 EPA-compliant MP13 engine that delivers up to 540 horsepower and 1,950 foot-pounds of torque. Inside, the Anthem features a standing height cab that is 9 inches wider than the previous iteration. Offered in day cab, 44-inch sleeper, and 64-inch sleeper configurations, the truck provides wide base seats with optional heating, cooling, and massage functions. The truck features standard front airbags and the proprietary Mack Protect collision mitigation suite, which is comprised of automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and pedestrian and hazard warning. All those features toe the line between being helpful without being annoying. Safety options include a digital mirror system and an integrated side curtain airbag that's designed to protect drivers during rollover events. For fleet connectivity, standard Mack Connect Telematics and Guard Dog Connect predictive maintenance work in tandem to reduce unplanned stops by 20% and slash overall service downtime by 37%. Fleets can also digitally customize the vehicle using the Mack Truck Builder online platform. This tool provides a full 3D rendering, letting users configure paint options, powertrain specs, and trim packages before ever connecting with a local dealer.
Well, we're back at the Mack Experience Center after a quick test drive around Allentown in the new Anthem. The Mack Anthem's a lot of fun to drive. I would say nimble, if that makes a lot of sense for a big truck. The Anthem's a great little traffic fighter, and what I mean by little is it's relatively little because it's still a large truck. But it's easy to get in and around traffic. It's easy to make those tight turns. The BBC being so much shorter than the Pioneer and even shorter than what the prior generation Anthem was, the maneuverability on the next generation Anthem is just superb. Lots of good power. It's a great little regional tractor, and I think Mack's really knocked it out of the park with shifting the Anthem's focus from over the road, giving that segment to the Pioneer, and letting Anthem be the regional haul truck. For all things trucks, engines, and trucking news in general, check us out at ccjdigital.com and sign up for our daily newsletter.